Okay, so the textbook has a chart about national debt and how it's been increasing, and they give us this problem to do. By the way, there's lots of other helpful and interesting things in the textbook, so especially if you're having trouble like with the calculator, they give you some extra information on that, so check the textbook out. All right, so here's this example. As of May 2020, the national debt was $25.5 trillion, or 25.5 times 10 to the 12th. Now, if you're like me, when I saw that number, I was like, hey, they didn't write that in scientific notation because 25 isn't between 1 and 10, so it bugged me. But I'm just going to say, you know, they wrote the textbook, I'll just go with it. Okay. At that time, the U.S. population was approximately 331 million, and then they've written this in scientific notation, which we had already figured out, 3.31 times 10 to the 8th. If the national debt was evenly divided among every individual in the United States, how much would each citizen have to pay? So we want to take the number, the money, and divide it by how many people there are. So then that looks like it's 6. The money is 25.5 times 10 to the 12th. I'm just going to go with the number they gave me, even though it bugs me. And then here's the number of people, 3.31 times 10 to the 8th. Now, go ahead and do this division on a calculator, and you're going to get like 7.70. You might have some questions about, well, I have a lot more digits on that. I do on my calculator. It's like 7.703927492. They've rounded to 2 decimal places, and depending on what you're doing and how accurate you want things, but this will work for us, times, now this part we're going to subtract those exponents, 10 to the 4th. And then if I want to put that as a decimal number, it's going to be 77000. So let's see. Oh, I have that written wrong. I have the comma in the wrong place. I did go 4 decimal places though, right? Okay, yeah. They want $77,000 per person. Well, I hope they don't expect me to pay that. Okay. So that's just a real life problem where maybe you'd want to do some kind of calculation like that.